this video, I'm going to show y'all how to do the king oyster mushrooms, aka trumpet mushrooms. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the top part off. If you want to do shredded, like a mimic of shredded chicken, then you have to cut that off. And you keep this, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This, you can actually use this to basically like chop it up, mince it up, to make like beef. This is what I use. So take your fork, and you're just going to do just like that, like when you shredding chicken. Just like that. Now, when you get closer to the end, it does get a bit tougher. So what I do is I shred it as close as I can. Make sure you don't hit your fingers. I shred it as close as I can. And then if I can't get through much more, what I do is I take that same knife from cutting the head off, and I chop it down like that. And as you can see, we shred it. And then I'll go back in with this, with the fork. Now, these hold a lot of water. So what you're going to have to do is squeeze it out, and I'm going to show you that. So. You see? Mushrooms hold water, so you have to squeeze it out, or you're going to get like that soft, mushy consistency, and I don't like my mushrooms like that. Like, I have a texture thing. I don't even like jello. So squeeze it. And I'm sure there is an easier way to do this. I don't have that way. So this woman uses her hands. See all of that? And I barely squeeze that. I'm gonna make that smaller. Oops, you saw that squirt out? Okay, so this is what came out of one. And this is one. Okay, so this is all of the juice that came from 4 mushrooms, and this is everything in it. Now to show you how to cook them. Okay, so you're gonna break it up and sprinkle it out, just like if it's shredded chicken. Because remember, when you squeeze it into a ball. Then you just break it up and you spread it out. You don't want to put too much in here, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so this is how I do it. I like to make sure that there's still enough space to where the heat can rise up, because if there's not, then you're gonna have soggy shredded mushrooms. You're gonna season it just like you do meat, and make sure you add some oil so it can fry, not too much, because they still have a little water in it, and you'll see it as it comes out. And what you're gonna do is mix all of this together. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. All right, once I mix everything up, I make sure that I put it back evenly on there. As I said, you're gonna see that it has that space in it to fry. I like a little crisp on mine. And I'll show you how you can flip it over, because we're not going to use the spoon to do it or fork. Alright, so as you can see, it is ready to flip. I use a spatula to do it. So, you see? So this is how it looks. This is how we like our mushrooms. It gives a little extra crisp to it. You cook it how you want to cook it. This is how we like it. Alright, so it is done, and I did cook some of my mixture that I had left, that I like to make the heads of the mushrooms and walnuts. I mixed it with it, and as you can see, look at it. And it tastes so good. So good. Anyway, I hope this helped you greatly, and that you enjoyed the video. All right, bye-bye.